A worker's hourly wage increased it from $18 to $22.50 per hour. What is the percent increase? To solve this problem, we need to use this formula. The new rate minus the original divided by the original. And here we have the new rate is $22.50 minus the old rate is 18. I'm going to divide by the original rate, which is $18. $22.50 minus 18 is going to give us $4.50 divided by 18. And this we get 0.25. To change 0.25 to percent, we have to multiply by 100, and that gives us 25. I'm going to add a percent. So our answer is 25%. When you're working with percent increase problems, just remember this. The numerator is going to be the delta between the two rates. The new rate minus the old rate. And divide that by what the original rate was. Then you will take that number and multiply by 100 and add a percent to give you the percent increase. And that's it for this question. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.